See our full lineup of award-winning bandsaws at grizzly.com.
Microjig, maker of the Gripper. Work safer, work smarter.
I usually don't share personal stuff with you guys, but I wanted to share this. Last week, my family and I went on vacation to the Grand Canyon, and we had a great time, and we toured the surrounding Arizona area. It was really beautiful. But when we got back, we found out that our dog that has been with us for 15 years was not doing very well, and we had to say goodbye. And it's been really tough on my family. He's been a huge part of our lives, and it was really hard to say goodbye. One of our dog sitters that usually watches our dogs for us when we go on vacation over the years made a watercolor painting of Putty from the picture, and I thought she did a really nice job. So today I thought I'd make a picture frame for this so that we could hang it on the wall.